Good afternoon, class. My name is Michael Gonzalez. This is for our video for week 3, part 1 of our lab. It is 1:01 in the afternoon on November 14, 2018. And our video today is going to be based on our microscope. That's what basically the first lab is, and playing with different smears and looking at different pre-made slides that we had in our kit. So I just wanted to go over kind of um, our video, or sorry, over our microscope in a quick glance. So we have the ocular lens is the first part, which goes in here, and as you can tell, it would be able to see the view. Here it is, right here. And this is our eyepiece. Some microscopes come with two views. So this one's only a singular view, and it magnifies by 15. And then we have the turret, which is here, that houses our different magnifications of our objective lenses. It just allows you to turn the base. This one's a little stiff, so I have to turn it with two hands. But then you have the different magnifications of each lens as we go into the lens. Each lens there's a scanning, which is this green one right here. Pan around, which is this green one right here. And then we have a low power, which is right here. It's a 10 view. Then we have our 40, which is our high power. And then we also have our immersion lens, which I'm going to bring out right now. So this one unscrews, and then you get this one here, the oil immerse, and it'll say oil on it. These allow, and then here's your oil. And the nice thing about the oil immersion is that you put it onto your slide, and because some of the bacteria and different things we're going to be looking at are small, it allows it to magnify a little bit more. It brings it into clearance. And then we got the next step as we go down this microscope. We have the staging clip right here, which holds our slides into place, make sure they don't slide and moving out. And of course, then we have the stage itself, which houses the clip. It houses our base here that it can turn. We can move the slide left to right, up and down, or I should say forward and back, as we need to view our whatever object we're looking at. The illuminator, which will be done here, is our light source that comes through here into the diaphragm. And here the diaphragm down there controls the amount of light. This right here means all the light will open up, and then this will turn off the light essentially that is coming through our lens, and that we can view. So sometimes the darker it is, a little easier sometimes, especially on a high power view. It allows us to see a little deeper when we have a darker light. And then we have our arm as we come to this view. Arm is just to help us move and lift our microscope with the base that supports the weight and doesn't allow it to shake or move while we're looking at our subject. Then we have our fine coarse knob, which is, or sorry, I should say our focus knob, which is right here. This will allow us to bring into focus, especially on a high power view. This will clarify our picture that we're seeing. And then of course these knobs here control our sight, to zoom in, to zoom out. Some other microscopes, the stage actually goes up and down. In this case, our main part, our vision here, is what goes up and down. Then we also have, like I said, these knobs here that control to go left or right on our microscope. For myself, I usually like to prefer our low power to view and to scan, even though we do have a scanning power, but with my vision, I prefer this one, and then go into the high power for our smaller microbes that we look at. So this is just the basics of our microscope and what we're going to be using for the primary part of our labs for the next 5 weeks. And thank you very much and have a blessed day.